You've probably heard of economics and finance as if they were the same thing. But let me tell you something. They're not. Maybe you're about to choose your college major and you don't know whether to study economics or finance. Or you just want to understand better how these two fields are different. If that's you, stick around until the end of the video, because today we'll learn what each one studies, how they differ, and what their career fields are. Let's get started. What is economics? Economics is a social science that focuses on studying resources, the creation of wealth, and the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services to meet human needs. This discipline is divided into two main areas. Microeconomics. It studies the behavior of individual agents such as businesses, households, and individuals. Macroeconomics. It analyzes the overall functioning of a society, such as economic growth, inflation, unemployment, and public policies. An economist usually works in sectors such as banks, government agencies, strategic planning areas, and financial institutions. Economics combines sciences like mathematics, statistics, history, and sociology to understand how markets work and how decisions affect society. What is finance? On the other hand, finance focuses on the management of money. It is the study of saving, investment, and the exchange of capital between individuals, companies, and the state, taking into account the risk and uncertainty that these activities entail. The areas where a finance professional can develop include accounting, brokerage firms, insurance companies, financial institutions, and business administration. Finance relies mainly on mathematics, statistics, administration, and accounting to make strategic financial decisions and manage resources efficiently. Economics versus finance. Main differences. Although they are closely related, the key difference between these disciplines is the focus. Economics is broader and analyzes how economic policies and markets impact society. Finance is more business-oriented and focuses on managing resources within companies or individuals. In other words, if economics is the science that studies the environment, finance would be a branch of economics that applies that knowledge to solve specific financial problems. Which one should you study? If you are considering studying one of these careers, keep in mind the following. If you are interested in understanding the global impact of policies and how markets work, economics is for you. If you prefer to focus on managing money and making decisions to optimize resources, finance is the way to go. One important recommendation. Since finance is a branch of economics, it is easier to start with economics and then specialize in finance than to do it the other way around. Regardless of which one you choose, both economists and financiers benefit greatly from having knowledge in both areas. For example, an economist with knowledge of finance will be more well-rounded, and a financier who understands economic fundamentals will have a competitive advantage. Conclusion. In short, economics and finance are connected, but they have different approaches. Both offer endless career opportunities and can complement each other perfectly. If you liked this video and found the information useful, don't forget to like and share it. Also, if you are interested in more topics related to finance, accounting, and economics in a simple and practical way, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.